In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "We can't verify your subscription status" error in Adobe apps. Whether you're getting this message while trying to open Photoshop, Illustrator, or any other Creative Cloud app, or you simply want to get your software working smoothly again, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Adobe Creative Cloud app and try reinstalling it. Once you reinstall it, sign in with your Adobe credentials and check if the error is gone. Sometimes a fresh reinstall clears out corrupted files instantly, so make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, if the issue still appears, especially when you're offline, go to your Windows Start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Open it, and once the window loads, click on Advanced Settings. You'll see several options that help you control how apps connect to the internet. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually very user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. Now click on Outbound Rules. Here, we're going to create a brand new rule. Click New Rule, then choose Program, and hit Next. You'll now browse for the exact Adobe application that's giving you the subscription error. For example, if Photoshop is the problem, navigate to your Adobe folder, select the Photoshop executable file, and click Open. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you know the exact install location of your Adobe app, ensure you're selecting the correct .exe file, and keep your Adobe apps closed while adding the rule. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've selected the program, click Next and choose Block the Connection. After that, click Next again and make sure all three profile boxes are checked. These ensure the rule applies everywhere. Then hit Next one more time and give the rule a name, something simple like Photoshop Block. Finally, click Finish and your new rule will be added instantly. Once you've completed these steps, go ahead and relaunch your Adobe app. After that, you should be able to bypass the subscription verification error without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to repeat this process for any other Adobe apps with the same issue. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your workflow uninterrupted. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the "We can't verify your subscription status" error easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?